We were putting this major together and we basically said, how can we make it so that anybody can come to Wentworth and do physics? Doesn't matter if you've never had a physics class before, right? You can come in and you can start doing the work. What we really want to do at all levels of our curriculum is give students the opportunity to sort of choose their own path, in a sense. We're looking for students from all sorts of backgrounds. Everybody should be able to come into the physics major and find something useful there. And so we want to emphasize that sort of choice in terms of both the courses they can take, but also these sorts of projects and the sorts of ways that students will learn and show their mastery of these skills. Another important part of a school like Wentworth is that you can get that individualized attention from a faculty member. And you're sort of getting that individualized feedback, and you're really developing expertise that you don't usually get if you're just going through the classwork.
The physics department encourages understanding and patience within the classroom, and they also foster a community of understanding and inclusivity, and they tailor their teaching to everyone, regardless of whether or not you're a physics major. I became more curious while at Wentworth, especially with my physics classes, because your professors prod you to do more or look into things and go into the experiments. During my research co-op, I did a lot of different things. My professor did not put any walls to be like, no, we shouldn't do this. Like, I already know this is not gonna work. He was like, okay, try it, and then record your results and then analyze them, see what came out of it.
The future ready, the preparedness, and that student-driven aspect of Wentworth is why the physics major fits so well into what we already offer and what the mission of the school is. Yeah, I think having sort of curiosity and a sense of play as you go about your work is incredibly important to physics. It's something you see in a lot of physicists I admire. They're out there enjoying their work. They're excited to see what they found, they're excited to share it with you, and I want to cultivate that in our students.